Don't rip your tire.
Look at Specialty. He's an animal.
Con!
Look at his serious face.
Take it out!
The team is gone.
No.
Yeah, this is all the action right now.
Use your teeth.
Alright, put it back in.
Anthony, you lost. You suck, dude.
Let's go, Anthony.
Dude, what's up with you?
Wait, the past two chains. There you go.
I don't even know.
There you go.
You take everything off already, Kit?
Who's in the lead? I can't even tell.
Tired too?
He's putting your tire back on.
You didn't take the tire off all the way?
I took it off.
You gotta take the cog off.
Your bare hands.
You pulled the tube out and put the tire back on?
You have to change its spoke.
And then for your
Yeah, true.
Dude, Kit is fucking the dominator right now.
Oh, shit.
You beast,
CTA
dude.
throwing it down.
Well, everyone else?
Kid has to help the others when he's done.
Go.
Wait, I see a
Anthony, you're all tangled up.
Oh.
Oh! Style point. Oh,
Punch
no,
him
I'm
up
not
there.
done. Okay, I'm done.
Domination. Hey. Fucking A.
Pump it up! Pump it up!
I was asking. No, I'd rather not pump it up, even though I have to anyways.
Style points, kid, if you can pump it up for the finish.
With the hand pump.
With your mouth.
With a hand pump.
Your mouth.
That's my mouth.
like right there.
Slow it, kid.
Yeah, pump it. Yeah, good shot.
Pump it up before they even finish.
They don't hold their
That's like ultimate.
No excuses.
And then do the whole thing again.
Yeah, Kit, you should have done it twice and you still would have won.
your front one.
You have two tubes in one tire?
What's going on over here, dude?
One, Antoine.
Anthony. Anthony.
Oh, Anthony's.
Anthony.
Dude, you're flailing.
They gave you that plus point for the glass.
Wow. You guys are mean. People win this play. You can ride home with me, dude. Yeah, but you can ride home with me anyway.
Can't argue with that.
Hey, this is still faster than.
Kit, what PSI are you at?
Kid, how